Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Blooming Smile Riddle Bubble location in Heartopia to complete the store visiting event. Okay, this is the Riddle Bubble for week 3 guys. You'll find this welcome emote, and the riddle is called the Blooming Smile. And if you want to find the riddle bubble, you need to go to the belong store right here, and you will see the riddle bubble right here. Wait, you need to, oh okay, this one guys, that's, oh my god, sorry. Let's pop the bubble, but I'm falling, so I'm gonna go back to there. Okay guys, I've already popped the bubble, but I didn't record that. And I got this emote, the welcome emote. Oh, it's so cute. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Blooming Smile Riddle bubble to complete the visiting store event, store visiting event in Heartopia week 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.